Now we are going to follow illustration number 6. In that we have been provided one wire of length L1 and L2. Sorry, one wire of length 1 meter. Now it has been divided into two parts. One is of length L1 and another one is of length L2. We are assuming first part as a P and assuming second part as a Q. Now we are going to stretch the first wire of length L1 in such a way that its length becomes double of its initial length and its resistance becomes R3, and we are going to consider that wire as a R only. Now here what we have been provided is if the area of the third wire, if the resistance of the third wire and resistance of the second wire, that means resistance of R and resistance of Q, both are same. But if you are observing the example, its area and its area, that is going to be same, so we can say that a1 is equals to a2. Now we have an equation that r1 is equals to rho l1 by a1 and r2 is equals to rho l2 by a2 and r3 is equals to rho l3 by a3. But if we are following the first and third wire only, we can say that v1 will be equal to v3. And we are changing the length, of course area is going to be changed but volume will remain constant, and that's why we can say that v1 is equals to v3. v1 is equals to a1 l1, v3 is equals to a3 l3. So we can say that a3 will be equal to a1 l1 upon l3, and that is equals to a1 l1 upon 2 times of l1 only. So l1 l1 cancel, so we can say that a3 is equals to a1 by 2. So we will switch it over to the equation that r3 is equals to rho l3 by a3. But L3, if we are accepting the value of L3, what is L3? L3 is equals to 2 times of L1. L3 is equals to 2 times of L1, and A3 A3 is equals to A1 by 2. So we can switch over to the equation that R3 is equals to 4 rho L1 by A1. But we have been provided that R3 is equals to R2. So 4 times 4 times rho L1 by A1, that is equals to rho L2 upon A2. The thing is going to be cancelled out. So 4L1 is equals to L2, but we know L1 is equals to L2, and that is equals to 1. So we can say that L1 plus 4L1, that is equals to 1, and 5L1 is equals to 1. So L1 is equals to 1 by 5 meter, and we know L2 is equals to 4 times of L1. That's why 4 into 1 by 5, that is equals to 4 by 5 meter only.